Hey guys! Panibagong araw, panibagong laro na naman po sa Roblox. At yes, bilisan natin dahil ang oras na tumatakbo. At obvious naman guys, ang lalaruin natin ay Sing It guys. Yes, pero bago tayo magsimula, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-follow, mag-like, mag-comment na kahit na anong laro dito sa Roblox or mag-request or mag-copy link or i-share. Tapos, pad na rin ang account ko. It's Mara22266. And guys, nakikita nyo lang naman guys sa screen. So, guys, simulan na natin dahil ang oras ay tumatakbo guys. At sa maingay, ganun na yun. Guys, sorry nga pala if hindi nagalag masyado kasi ewan ko. Ang galing ng i-rate natin to. Ito, 3 natin siya. Kasi good naman na siya. By the way, top ano siya? Pang ilan ba ako?
Cause the sun shines a little more brightly when you take things a little more lightly. It's all gonna turn out nicely. Just a taste of
hala, ako putik na yan. Okay. Kasi siya... Okay. Wait guys, I'm so sorry but... Okay. Cause the sun shines a little more brightly when you take things a little more lightly. It's all gonna turn out nicely. With just a taste of your heart, it's likely you'll fall into something spicy. Just mix it up to that tiny nakakahiya. Ang pangit ng boses ko, mga beshi ko. Mahirap.
I don't know you, but I'll save you a seat
Ang galing.
in my corner chair next to me.
Guys, ang galing.
Yun lang, kalimutan ko na yung sumunod.
Anong kaldag yan? Ang galing kumaldag ni Ay. Oh. Eto, tayo na to guys. Tayo na to. Sing any song you like. Tayo na to. Freestyle. Sayang naman.
Put your hand on my shoulder.
Wow, galing. Wow.
In your arms,
Wow, galing ha.
baby. Hold me oh so tight. Show me. Oh,
Ang
bye-bye.
galing niya kumanta guys. Wow, sana all. Tayo naman ba?
Handsome boy, does he know it? Peach fuzz, and he can't even grow it. I wanna take it for you.
Sabi mo na. By the way, Ari, grabe, ang galing mo magkaldag. So, simulan na natin. Handsome boy, does he know it? Peach fuzz, and he can't even grow it. I want to take him far away from this place. Then I turn to see my sister face, and she is helpless, and I know she is Putix na yan, nakakahiya ng boses ko, guys. Nakakahiya.
Little girl, always picking a fight
Ang
with
galing ng
me. You know
boses.
that I'm
Putix na yan, ang pangit ng boses ko. Nakakahiya. Mabait ako.
when I touch her.
Ganun.
When I touch her, I want her, need her,
Wow,
love
galing cheer
her.
natin yan. Ba't tayo ma-cheer? Magaling siya, guys. Magaling siya. Ako na to, guys. Freestyle eh. Grabe, ang malas natin sa freestyle.
How can we go back to being friends when we just shared a bed?
Yeah, yeah.
How can you look at me and pretend I'm someone you never met?
Okay, favorite sing ko yan. Favorite song ko yan. So, 5 star ka sa akin. I like it eh. Anong magagawin ko?
There was an angel at the entrance checking off a guest list. Surely
Ay,
wasn't
ako na to, guys. Ay, alam ko yan eh. Alam ko yan.
angel at the entrance checking off a guest list. Surely wasn't on it.
Ay, hindi niya masyado kuha yung tono. Ay, naglag ako, guys.
It's
Hindi
breathless.
masyado kuha.
Excuse me, sir. There must be someone you confused me for. If I could see someone who knew me or someone in uniform, I really don't belong here. I'm sure you've heard the tune before.
Galing niya, guys. Galing niya. Ang galing niya mag-rap. Wow.
I was listening to the ocean. I saw a face in the
Know that, guys. Hindi
I
ko
was
siya alam.
listening to the ocean.
Wow, ang ganda.
I saw a face in the sand.
Ang
But when
ganda.
I picked it up, then it vanished away from
Oh, maganda yung
my
boses niya.
time.
And I was running far away, but... Yung ano, nag-ano ako, tapos nag-ano din siya.
I play the keys everywhere that I say.
Hindi
It's
ko yan
gonna
alam,
be
sorry. I
hard.
didn't know that. Ngayon ko lang yan narinig.
I ain't playing no games. Every word that I say is coming straight from the heart.
Wow, galing.
So if you try to lay in these arms, I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open.
Galing! Wait lang, palakpak tayo. Ang galing na, guys. Ganun. Ang ganda ng boses.
No, I wanna stay with
Hindi ko yan alam. Hindi ko yan alam.
No, I wanna stay
Wow, ang galing.
with no subtle change. No lies over me. No, I
Wala na nga ano.
wouldn't.
Grabe.
Ceilings, plaster.
Galing nila.
Can't you just make it move faster?
I didn't know that. Skip natin yun.
Lovely to be sitting here with you.
Skip niyo yan, guys. Skip na rin. Okay, thank you. Na-skip na rin. Guys, malapit na tayo matapos.
slipping through my fingers all the time. I try to catch it.
Galing, hindi ko nakuha yung alam ko.
Through my fingers
All the time.
I try to catch.
Hindi masyado kuha, guys.
Through my fingers all the
Ayan.
time. I try to
Hindi masyado
catch
kuha.
every minute. The
Maganda siya, guys. Di lang masyado makuha.
God.
Sayang, maganda siya. Ba't di masyado kuha? Ba't pa kasi nibot? Ay, okay. Okay, last.
Lazy, oh lazy, skill like both pastry. Aren't you the sweetest thing on this side of hell? Dear angel lazy. We're soaring, flying. There's not a star in heaven that we can reach if we're trying.
Cute siya. I like it naman. Okay lang na matalo, be. Wow, nanalo sila. Sana all. Yung life natin, eh. Life is life lang. Life is life. So, yan na po nagtatapos, guys. At huwag niyong kalimutan. Yes, huwag niyong kalimutan. So, yun lang, guys. Bye-bye.